I think the light kit may be the hardest, one of the hardest things I've done from IA other than the welding arm. Here's how shoehorned it is in there, and that is shoehorned in there. Still got to tuck in the LEDs and everything on the sides, but we have our I2C control on it now. So we've got our blue LEDs running, got our green, which is fun, got our red, and we got our slow random. Random's kind of fun with the slow random. Here's fast random. I call it party mode. And then there's our Empire Strikes Back accurate on it. And then the searchlight, which is crazy hot. This is running about 6.5 volts.